how to set MP3 songs as your notification alert on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So make sure you download MP3 songs. So after download MP3 songs, go back and click on My Files app. After click on My Files app and click on downloads, your download songs is showing here. So if you want to set MP3 song notification alert, so just click and hold and click on copy, and after copy song, go back to home screen and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. After click on sound and vibration, click on notification sound. After click on notification sound, you will see custom app custom ringtone is here. If you want to set notification alert to MP3 song, click on this alert. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set MP3 song as your notification alert on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.